All right, folks, here we go. This is going to be my box opening party for the Smart Hose Timer bundle. Got this at Costco. The whole idea is to just hit the easy button for my garden here so I can attach some, misting systems and, auto watering. I do have a irrigation set up in the front, but not in the backyard. And until I'm ready to spend the $1,000 to get it all set up in the backyard, I'm gonna go with this. So we're gonna open this up here. See what we got. Let's open this little one first. All right. The whole thing. Oh, and also the thing that's cool about this is, and the reason I got it was because you connect it to Wi-Fi to control it from anywhere. You can set programs for watering. I just want to save water. You know what I mean? And it'll keep watering if we lose connection, ensures water and the flow detection. Automatically skips watering when it rains. I don't have to tell it. You connect it outside. It's good stuff. Smart hose, yeah. Good, and we'll have the link in the bottom, the page down there. So we're going to here. This one's pretty cool, same information. So, Rachio, I don't know. It's one of these things. It's got a cool little button on this that you can activate, turn on and off with sometimes. My only thing, I'm trying to figure out how I can get a filter on this because I don't like using regular water. So I think I'm going to connect a filter onto the first part, then I'll connect these on the others. I don't feed my plants with tap water. I know some people do. Some people don't think it's okay. I don't know. I think you are what you eat, so I'm just real careful. It comes with this nice handy quick start guide right here. That's going to come in handy there. Of course, it's a dual. It's a dually. So, same thing that was over there is right here. Okay, same exact thing. So we're not even gonna take that one out. We know what that is already. We'll put that over here. And the timer splicer. This is the Wi-Fi connection right here. Came in. Nice stuff. This was gonna attach to the power. And then, I don't know what that is. Actually, let's see what it is. Oh, okay. So these are the cables. So you gotta attach it with right here. So these two go together. We'll put you right here. Is there anything else in here? Looks like that's it for that. And I believe, well, I guess that's it. Pretty simple. It feels like something's missing. Is it that easy, really? Nah, it's too easy. Hold on. Let's see real quick here. Let's see what's on the bottom of this. Let's go from the bottom. Oh, top to the bottom. I got him. All right. That is it. Okay, pretty simple. Well, there you go, folks. So I'm assuming, well, I'm not assuming, you attach this to here, right? This is inside the house, and this these work outside. And what we have in here is we have batteries. So you just gotta have the batteries charged. Recharge them when they die, and you're good. So when we go to Europe, our plants will not die. There you go. That's my review, folks. So I didn't really know how that all operated until I opened it now. So real simple. you put these right here, you put them on your spigot like this, and they will work whenever you want them to work. You just control it with the Wi-Fi, just like when you get smart bulbs and you give them each a name, and you tell Alexa to turn on this one or turn on that one, or whichever one you want to have turned on when you want to, or however the Wi-Fi here works. I'm assuming it's going to work with Alexa or Google or Copilot or something. I don't know. We'll see. I don't know if Copilot does that. But yeah, good stuff. Very happy. Let you guys know how it works. See ya.